Welcome back to the channel. Today we're fixing a short circuit issue on an iPhone 15 Pro. Step 1. Remove all flex cables from the motherboard. Step 2. Separate the motherboard from the phone body. Step 3. Connect the board to a DC power supply. Look, the current spikes. That screams short circuit. Step 4. Disassemble the sandwich motherboard using a layer separator. Step 5. Under the microscope, here's the culprit, this tiny transistor. Let's destroy it with a hot air station. Step 6. Clean every connector with soldering iron and flux. Step 7. Restack the layers on a heating plate at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds. Step 8. Final test. Plug in the battery. It boots. The short is gone. Phone is 100% functional. Like if this helped. Subscribe for more pro-level repairs. Drop a comment. What should we fix next? See you in the next one.